Dross, a costly byproduct created by virtually all wave soldering machines. Until now, this hazardous material, once cooled and stored, has been transported to a recycling plant. Costs to the customer in terms of inconvenience and financial loss have been enormous, and to the environment unmeasurable. Now there is an alternative. SRS. In 6 minutes, SRS will process up to 6 kilograms of hot dross right at the point of production, returning to the solder bath up to 75% of the original weight in a purified solder ingot. The result? A massive saving in solder bar consumption of up to 50%. If 25% of the solder used is deposited on the PCB, the remaining 75% becomes dross, an expensive waste product. In addition to the material cost savings, SRS makes a positive contribution to corporate environmental strategies by recycling dross that would otherwise be a waste product. SRS also gives companies the opportunity to benefit from the process savings traditionally seen as the preserve of the inert gas process, without the disadvantage of cost associated with the installation and operating of an N2 system. So how does SRS achieve these savings? Running on only a standard power supply and a 6-bar airline, and through its small footprint, SRS sits adjacent to your wave soldering machine bath. Dross removed in the traditional manner is loaded direct into the hopper. This can be as much as 6 kilograms in weight, more than an adequate volume for even the largest wave solder machine working an 8-hour dedrossing cycle. Once the SRS cycle commences, a fully automatic 6-minute compression and heat cycle frees your operator's valuable time. Solder is extruded from the chamber direct into the ingot tray, which can be configured to your requirements. The second phase of the cycle rejects the removed hazardous material direct into the dross tray, ready for safe disposal through normal outlets. As no chemistry is used in the SRS, the solder ingot returned to the bath is of the same consistency as that of the solder bath. Process control is improved by more frequent dedrossing, which until now has carried a financial penalty. SRS makes it a regular cost-saving exercise.